It's Sunday the 20th of November, so let's have a look at the Ftse for the trading week ahead. Not too much has changed from last week's analysis. The market has not broken out of that key support or the key resistance levels around about where the market is currently trading. The only thing I've been going over with traders on the subscription service is basically we're seeing somewhat of a price squeeze. So price is forming into a triangle. You can see it's following the sloping support line up here, and you can see it respecting the sloping resistance line up above. So to give some direction to the market, we need to break out of this triangle. You need to be careful for false breaks, whereby the market breaks out and then reverses and comes down the other way after triggering in breakout traders and taking out stops for people who have their stop set just above the triangle looking to go short. For me, with pattern trading, I like to see the return and then the level being respected once again. So currently resistance or currently support. I like to see the market break out, return, test it as resistance or test it as support, and then confirm that the break is holding and the market is pressing away and finally showing direction. Apart from that, we still have the market within our key resistance area. We've gone over how this area has been respected numerous times. Down below, we're still looking at the potential triple bottom. Let's just mark all these in. Right here. So with the market in between these two zones currently, I'm just purely looking at the market as in a range and trading it in that way. It's the same as last week basically. All we've added in is the price squeeze that we are currently seeing with price respecting the triangle. If market does break out to either side, and then we do see that retest, which holds, it's potentially going to give us the direction for the market next. Currently the market is looking weak for me. However, it needs to break out of the key support or key resistance area to confirm that. Things I'll be watching for to give me little clues next week will be breaks of the triangle, as an early indication of which way the market is potentially intending to go. Okay guys, that's everything for this week. Not too much changed from last week apart from that price squeeze that we are now keeping our eye on. As always, I hope that was helpful. I hope you have a good trading week. I'm James Orr and thank you.